Brand new 296220. Okay, it's not brand new. It's brand new to me. What's inside the box, you might ask? Well, I'm curious to find out myself. Inside the box, you got your instructional manual. What else do we have in the box here? Marketing material. I got the friction ring. There it is in all of its glory. The weight is mid-weight. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's a mid-weight tool compared to the subcompact impact with the M12 format battery and the ultimate impact here. Oh, that's a heavy one. This one feels like a nice mid-weight. I have a 2.0 red lithium battery here. It's an older, chewed up battery, as you can see. And here it's all fired up and lit up and ready to go. Trigger is locked, unlocked. Ooh, there we go. We've got power. Wow, that's a lot of friction required to get that on there. There we go. Now it's on. Oh, she's spinning. I got a wobbler again. I got another wobbler. Look at that. Look at that. What is going on? Is it the socket? Is it the tool? I have no idea. But this M12 does exactly the same thing. It wobbles. It's less noticeable on this stubby socket, which leads me to believe maybe it is the socket. However, I changed this socket, and they both did the same thing. They wobbled on the tool. I mean, you can really see the action. I'm going to say that's the socket. That's got to be the socket. Okay, let's swap around the sockets and see what happens if you put a different socket on there. Now, this is a shorter socket. I get it. The longer socket might wobble more. But no, that's nicely balanced. All right, just for fun, let's try this 3/4 inch socket compared to the 19 mil socket. Huh, interesting. Interesting. This socket goes on an awful lot easier, that's for sure, than these Milwaukee sockets. Oh my God, I can't believe how much force you need to put these sockets on with. Holy. Oh my goodness. Okay. Why does that wobble like that? I don't know if you can see the wobbling. I don't know if it's a concern or not, but that bothers me a little bit. I don't have any other sockets to really test this theory out. That goes on so easy. Yeah, and this is... It doesn't wobble. I almost want to say that these Milwaukee sockets are wobblers, warblers. Not to mention how much friction they have, which is not necessarily a bad thing. I mean, you want it to stay on, you don't want it to fall off. But why did these wobble so much on all three tools? find this out, this mystery. All right, anyways, not to get lost in the performance of the sockets, but to get lost in the gloriousness of having a trio of tools here for working. Very pleased to have this tool in the shed. The only thing left for me to purchase is the boot that goes on this tool, and that's already been ordered. It's in the mail. Play safe, everyone. Thanks for watching.